If you want to change the theme in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open your diagram, apply a new theme, and even customize the colors if you want a more personal look. This is a simple way to make your diagrams look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document you want to edit. You can either open an existing diagram or start with a blank document if you want to test the theme on something new. If you're following along with a current project, this is the best way to see how the theme changes affect your shapes, text, and overall layout. Before changing the theme, it can be helpful to add a default shape to the canvas. A rectangle works great for this. Just drag a rectangle from the Shapes panel onto the page. Leave it in its default colors for now, because that makes it much easier to notice the theme changes once you apply them. This is a simple but useful step if you want a clear visual before and after comparison. Now, look over to the left side toolbar and click Theme. This opens the Theme panel where Lucidchart gives you several style options you can use right away. You'll usually see different presets available, such as Chalk, Monochrome Gray, or Monochrome Blue. These themes can instantly change the look and feel of your entire diagram, so you don't have to manually adjust every shape one by one. Once the theme panel is open, browse through the available options and click the one you want to apply. As soon as you select a theme, Lucidchart updates the diagram styling automatically. You may notice changes in shape colors, line styles, background tone, and text contrast, depending on the theme you choose. If you want to make sure it worked, drag another rectangle onto the canvas after applying the theme and compare the styling. That's a great way to confirm the new theme is active across the document. If you want more control, you can also customize the theme after selecting it. Depending on the theme, Lucidchart may let you adjust settings like primary, secondary, highlight, accent, and background colors. This is especially useful if you want your diagram to match your brand colors, presentation style, or team design preferences. For example, you can make the background lighter for readability or choose stronger accent colors to emphasize key parts of your flowchart. Take a moment to experiment with the theme settings until it looks exactly how you want. The nice part is that Lucidchart makes it easy to test different styles without rebuilding your diagram from scratch. If you're working on a process map, org chart, or system diagram, a good theme can make the whole document feel much more polished and easier to understand at a glance. And that's it. You now know how to change the theme in Lucidchart and how to customize it for a cleaner, more professional result. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.